In all places, at all times, a warmth of freshness is guaranteed. Bring home V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heaters. V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heaters are safe, energy efficient, environment friendly, and a go-to solution for readily available hot water. Each V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heater consists of two units, the heating unit and the storage unit. The heating unit consists of an evaporator, a compressor, and an expansion valve, while the storage unit consists of a PUF insulated glass enameled tank and a spiral heat exchanger. Now let's see how a V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heater works. It all starts with refrigerant R410A reaching the evaporator. Inside the evaporator, heat is absorbed into the refrigerant from the atmosphere. The warm refrigerant evaporates and moves towards the compressor. Compressor unit compresses the refrigerant into a hot gas at high pressure. This piping hot refrigerant is then sent to the storage tank through copper pipes. As the refrigerant R410A passes through the spiral copper tubes lined around the storage tank, the water inside the tank starts to warm up and the hot refrigerant starts to cool down. A partially cooled down refrigerant flows into the expansion valve and cools down completely. The refrigerant again flows into the evaporator to repeat the cycle until the desired warmth is obtained in the water kept in the storage tank. V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heater comes with some unique features. 3 to 4 times energy efficient compared to conventional water heaters. Environmental friendly R410A refrigerant. Less maintenance, silent operation. Works within the temperature range -15 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. Constant temperature output 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. High temperature up to 75 degrees Celsius can be attained. Integrated high pressure protection system. Suitable for all kinds of water. Polyurethane foam insulated glass lined tank to retain the heat for a longer time. Digital timer based operation for added convenience. V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heater comes with industry best warranty. 5-year warranty for storage tank, 5-year warranty for compressor, and 3-year warranty for heat pump unit. V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heaters are the perfect solution for readily available hot water. A hug of warmth wrapped in nature. V-Guard Domestic Heat Pump Water Heaters. V-Guard. Bring home a better tomorrow.